Marvel Cinematic Universe has one of the most enthusiastic fan bases in history, and for a good reason. The phenomenal storylines and superheroes are memorable for anyone, ranging from a casual watcher to an obsessive geek. For this reason, there's plenty of gadgets produced out there because the fans are always willing to get their hands on some. If you're looking for similar cool gadgets to satisfy your inner nerd, we've got a list that is sure to wow you. From electronic helmets inspired by your favorite characters, to gadgets you can use in everyday life like backpacks and headphones, there's plenty of surprises for everyone. So stay tuned to find out. Let's begin. Number 10. HULKBUSTER. In the canon universe, the HULKBUSTER, as the name suggests, was created for a particular purpose: restraining Hulk. Owning one in real life is a dream come true for any fan of Marvel, and this collectible right here is what you need to get your hands on. It is an authentic and detailed version of the real thing, weighing 10 kilograms and approximately 21 inches in height. You can open its chest to reveal the Mark 43 bust with an LED light-up eyes and a battery-operated white light arc reactor. A striking metallic red, gold, and silver paint cover the armor, and it has over 30 pounds of articulation, making the gadget super flexible. The armor contains die-cast material which strengthens the core structure and enables it to be more flexible. There's no question the HULKBUSTER will make an impressive addition to your Marvel collection, so make sure you get yours immediately. Number 9. Captain America Shield Speaker. Turn up the volume with the incredible power-batteried Bluetooth speaker that sounds just as great as it looks. The speaker's shape is in the form of Captain America's shield, making it a unique gadget to have around in your living room. You can use it to connect to any compatible device, including smartphones, tablets, the easiest way to stream audio content from up to 33 feet away wirelessly. It also comes with a built-in long-lasting rechargeable battery, allowing you to enjoy hours of music non-stop. The package includes the USB charging cable. So, if you have any friends or family who are Captain America enthusiasts, make their day by getting them this great gift. Number 8. WONDERSHELL HARDSHELL Backpack. Get the ultimate backpack that brings fashion and security in one place, with a perfect geeky look for any average comic fan. WONDERSHELL consists of pockets ideal for laptops, tablets, phones, and various smaller items. It also has additional space to fulfill your daily urban needs. The backpack is designed in an anti-theft way to ensure maximum security. Moreover, this backpack is highly durable, so if you invest in it once, it will serve you longer than any daily bag known before. That's saying a lot for a product at this price. This backpack is super convenient for daily use, with sufficient protection technology and functionality, combined with a design sure to set you apart from the rest. A lot of us can relate to the situation where our belongings get stolen, so make sure you reduce the chances of that happening repeatedly, and make your purchase the first chance you get. Number 7. Articulated Electronic Fist. It's time to protect your hand with the power of the Infinity Stones. Now, you can add the perfect touch to your cosplay with the Marvel Legends Electronic Fist. Because a regular looking glove doesn't do it for the average Marvel fan, right? The 19.5-inch Infinity Gauntlet roleplay fist is the closest you can get to recreating Thanos' power in real life. It features lights and sounds, and the fingers of the fist are flexible with a fist lock display mode. The package comes with the gauntlet and instructions, and you'd require 3 1.5-volt AA alkaline batteries to make it work. The pulsating glow light effects are enough to impress anyone. You can't go wrong with a gadget this cool. Number 6. Black Panther Claws. For all the Black Panther fans looking for the perfect accessories to go with their Marvel-themed cosplays, these claws are a must. They're inspired by the Black Panther movie, with emotion-activated slashing sound effects. Upon contact with the surface, these claws light up. So imagine charging into action at a Halloween party with these. There's no question all eyes are going to be on you. The manufacturers recommend these claws for children aged 5 and above. and they come with a set of instructions and demo 1.5 volt AA alkaline batteries. Black Panther is the warrior king of Wakanda, ready to swing into action and defend his people at all times. So gear up for battle as the warrior king himself with these Vibranium Power VX claws. We guarantee you're not going to be wasting your money with these. Number 5. Iron Man Electronic Helmet. The Marvel Universe features some of the most iconic characters and storylines in cinematic history, and it's now possible to live out your ultimate superhero fantasy with this electronic helmet inspired by Iron Man himself. It comes with glowing LED eyes, electronic sound effects, a removable magnetic faceplate, cool circuitry, and top-notch finishing and details. It requires 3 AAA batteries to function, weighs 1.98 pounds, and is suitable for anyone aged 15 or above. This Iron Man electronic helmet is excellent for both serious collectors and enthusiastic cosplayers. It's as close as you can get to feeling like Iron Man himself, so don't miss out on a chance to do so. Number 4. Thor's Hammer. The lightning-powered warrior Thor uses his superpowers to protect his home of Asgard and the planet Earth from evil using a hammer. So for any fans of the hero, this gadget is a must-have. This iconic Mjolnir hammer is a superb and exciting gadget for roleplay action and adventure. All you have to do is hold down the button and perform a hammer strike to launch a Nerf dart. The hammer weighs 1.15 pounds and is suitable for anyone aged 5 years and above. If your next cosplay idea is Thor, this hammer would add the perfect touch to your aesthetic and undoubtedly impress all your friends. Not only that, but it also makes for an excellent gift idea for all Marvel fans out there. Number 3. Arc Reactor Heart Model Mark. Add more fun to your action figure collection with this DIY LED arc reactor. It's a very cool illuminant ornament that you can use as a decoration piece. One that's unique and easy on the eyes. The gadget weighs 14 ounces and is suitable for anyone aged 18 or over. So make sure you keep it out of reach of your young ones. The action figure doesn't appear cheap by any means, because the delicate design and details make it seem to be super high quality. Since it's a DIY gadget, you and your friends are going to have tons of fun assembling it. Number 2. Captain America Blaster. Let your kid imagine what it's like to battle like Captain America himself with this blaster reveal shield. It has red, white, and blue design with the signature Cap star and includes 2 launching projectiles. All you have to do is push down on the star button to watch the shield open, and a hidden blaster will emerge, ready to take your enemies down. Of course, being a superhero doesn't only mean having a strong attack. It includes having a strong defense too. There's no better way to defend yourself than using the Vibranium shield as Captain America does. To reset, slide the lever on the side of the gadget shut. Once the blaster is hidden, you can go back to using it as a line of defense. Isn't that pretty cool? Number 1. Iron Man Robot. It's time to put a stop to evil by creating, controlling, coding, and battling against enemies, Iron Man style. The Iron Man Mark 50 robot can be controlled using a mobile device and offers complete augmented reality missions. You can even customize this guy by uploading your face and recording audio phrases. This walking, talking robot is your portal into the events after Infinity War, allowing you to battle it out as Tony Stark himself. The gadget is made up of plastic and requires 1 GB RAM to function. It is compatible with a wide range of iOS and Android devices and weighs around 4.4 pounds. All you need to work it are 2 lithium polymer batteries that come included in the package. For fans of Iron Man, it doesn't get any better than this. Alright, Let us know in the comments which of these gadgets you can't wait to get your hands on. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.